At Ecoculture, we are committed to improving crop productivity and sustainability. In a recent bread wheat trial, we demonstrated that it is possible to increase grain yield and quality while reducing environmental impact. A trial was conducted in the UK on wheat, aiming to reduce the environmental footprint of flour production. This was delivered through reduced nitrogen input, compensate for potential yield loss due to lower nitrogen application, reducing CO2 emissions by lowering nitrogen inputs and increasing carbon capture through higher yields. Trial design. Two 2.5 hectare plots on separate field were treated with the Ecoculture program and compared to the rest of the field. Farm Standard Program. 160 kilograms per hectare of solid fertilizer, 26% nitrogen plus 31% sulfur, which is 41.6 kilograms per hectare of nitrogen. 290 kilograms per hectare of solid fertilizer, 34.5% nitrogen, which is 100.05 kilograms per hectare of nitrogen. 155 liters of liquid fertilizer, 30% nitrogen, which is 46.5 kilograms per hectare of nitrogen. Total nitrogen applied, 188 kilograms per hectare. Ecoculture program. Same base fertilization, but 80 liters less of liquid nitrogen and additional foliar applications of 2.5 liters per hectare of NH-delta calcium plus Leodita in T0, 2.5 liters per hectare of NH-delta potassium plus Leodita in T1, 2.5 liters per hectare of TipTop in T2 and T3. Total nitrogen applied, 166 kilograms per hectare. Total nitrogen reduction, 22 kilograms per hectare, 12% less than the standard, benefiting the environment. The Ecoculture program achieved outstanding results, showing superior performance compared to the standard, with an average yield increase of 9%. Regarding nitrogen use efficiency, there was a 23% increase, going from 44 kilograms of wheat per kilogram of nitrogen applied to 54 kilograms of wheat per kilogram of nitrogen applied. Analyzing grain protein levels, there was an average increase in grain nitrogen content from 1.55% to 2.1%. Using a conversion factor of 6.25, protein levels increased from 9.7% to 13.1%. Conclusions. The Ecoculture program increased wheat yield by 9%, reduced total nitrogen application by 12%, improved nitrogen use efficiency by 23%, increased grain protein by 3.4%, reaching an average of 13.1%. The trial was designed by Bionature on a farm owned by Heygate Farms Swaffham Ltd and conducted by Pharmacy Advisors to Agriculture. All environmental objectives were met. Less nitrogen applied per hectare, greater yield per hectare, lower CO2 emissions per kilogram of grain grown, higher quality wheat for milling. How does the Ecoculture program work? We combine conventional fertilization with strategic foliar applications of NH-delta calcium, Leodita, NH-delta potassium, and TipTop at different crop stages. This optimizes nitrogen absorption and ensures a balanced nutrition throughout the crop cycle. Thanks to the Ecoculture program, we achieve higher production, better quality, and a lower environmental impact. The future of bread wheat is more efficient and sustainable.